Today, I'll show you how to contact Gmail Direct Customer Service. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. For regular personal Gmail accounts, Google mainly directs users to its online help center, account recovery tools, and community support rather than a general direct customer service phone number or live agent for every issue. Google's support site points users to self-service help for account access, security, and Gmail problems. So if you need help with a normal Gmail account, the first step is to open Google Help and search for your issue. For example, if you forgot your password, can't sign in, or think your account was hacked, Google provides dedicated recovery and security flows through its account help pages. That is usually the fastest official route for personal Gmail problems. Now, here's where people often get confused. If you are using Gmail as part of a paid Google service, support may be different. Google Workspace customers can contact Google Workspace support directly, and Google's official Workspace pages mention support options such as chat and email for eligible customers. Google also says Workspace administrators can file support cases for technical and billing issues. There is also another paid route some people use. If your Gmail account is tied to a Google One membership, support availability may be offered through Google One benefits, depending on your plan and region. That means personal Gmail users with premium Google services may see extra help options that free Gmail users do not always get. This is why two people with Gmail accounts may not see the same support choices. So, in simple terms, if you want direct customer service for Gmail, first check whether you are using free personal Gmail, Google One, or Google Workspace. Free Gmail usually points you to online help and recovery tools, while paid Google services may offer direct support channels. And that's how to contact Gmail Direct Customer Service. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.